Hey everybody, how are you? And I am here with a 99-cent haul. The Sweet Treat series is done. Summer is coming to a close. Fall hopefully is in the air. Hallelujah. And I have gone to the 99-cent store and I want to bring you my haul. And this one is primarily for Halloween. Now, when I do Halloween, as a rule, I don't do my whole house. I do a couple areas, and that's probably going to be the same this year. But I want to show you what I got. I kept going back and forth with purple and orange because I love purple and black and that lime green at Halloween. I think I'm going to mix it this year because I do have a lot with orange and purple, but I did hone in more on the purple, as you'll see. Okay, first thing. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at, this is one of those, well, if you can see this, where you put it over your chair, but I'm not going to use it for that. I am going to put this over a pillow in my living room. So I got this as a pillow cover, but look at that. And when I'm done, I'll get down and bring the camera so you can see closer everything. So I got that, and $1.99. You could not make it for $1.99, okay? And my theme, well, I was gonna say it's gonna be more witchy, but I think really it's going to be a combination of witches, black cats, pumpkins, well, basically Halloween. Now that I'm thinking about it, you'll just have to see. Okay, and I always love buying a new cup, and I usually throw these away after the season because, you know, after a time, because I always take these to work, or when I go to my daughter's house, I'll take my iced coffee in it. But this was cute. Look at that. And it was 99 cents. Okay, you can't go wrong there. And it's nice. I mean, it's very nicely made. So I got that. Okay. Then I love this. It's a bird cage. And some of them had birds in them. I mean, you had to buy them separately. But you know those birds that they're just the skeleton? I don't know if I'm into that, so I didn't get any of that. But I'll find something to do with what I'm already thinking about for my vignette. And it will probably be, I'm not sure if this will be, the vignette I'm thinking about, because I got a couple of them going on in my head. This might be on the coffee table, not sure. But anyway, this was 99 cents. And it is a bird cage. Then they had these little pumpkins. These were also 99 cents. And they just say boo. And I don't know if I'll leave these just the way they are, or if I will add to them or put them on something. I'm not sure yet. Okay. And the other thing I am looking for, which the 99-cent store didn't have anything having to do with Hocus Pocus. And that is what I want to hone in on certain aspects of my vignette having to do with the witches. And I don't mean witches scary. They're going to be the cute type. But I have seen hauls, and this doesn't surprise me because we never get anything that everybody else gets in all the different states. It's like we're the last ones. Whatever. Hocus Pocus. Dollar Tree has some cute signs that say Hocus Pocus. And also, when I watched Auntie Cuckoo, my good friend Val, when she went to Michael's, there's a couple I saw there. So there's only a couple more things that I'll get as far as decor. The rest I'll make, and you will be with me in that process when I do my DIYs, whether it be for fall, Christmas, or Halloween. Then I just got some of these AAA batteries, and you'll see why in a minute. Then, for a DIY that I am doing, this witch's headband hat. I won't use it as the headband. This was $1.99, and it's sequins with netting and a spider. I am excited for this DIY. I think you're really going to like it. So I got this hat because I needed that. And this is primarily why I went in to see if they had any Halloween, because they were the ones that carried these hats before, and I was hoping, and they did. So I got that. Then I have a real thing this year. Don't know why, but I get into these certain things that I all of a sudden just really, really like. And that is, I'm into the owls. I am really into owls, okay? So I'm going to be doing DIYs with to make owls and to decorate with them and all. These also can go for fall, which I am going to be using them for fall. Probably more than I am for Halloween. But anyway, into the owls more or less for fall. So I got that, 99 cents. Then they had the pumpkins where they interlock so they make it more dimensional, and I'm going to completely make this different because I think I have another one. I'm almost positive I have another one, and so I'll be using those for decor, but they'll probably be decor probably for fall. I'm not sure yet. I might do one for Halloween, one for fall. I'm not sure. And then for $1.99, they had this lace black tablecloth. Okay, so that will go in my living room, probably on my round table in my living room. But that was good for $1.99, and it is a 54 by 72 inch, so it's big. Then they had this witch's hat, okay, and here's the purple again. I don't know if I'm going to leave it this way, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use this with something else I'm making, or if I'm going to redo this, or if I'm going to add to it. I'm not sure. But they had these in purple and black, orange and black, and white and black. But it's the wire for the hat. And they only didn't have many left, actually. Then the last couple things that I got, which I was watching Val's haul, and she went into the 99-cent store as well, and she had got the same, we had both got this, which I think is adorable. I love that retro feel that this has, and it is a light and it changes color. I really like this, and I have something else that will go with this, and I'm going to make something that looks kind of like this in a DIY. But I thought that was really cute. Okay. And then the last thing, and this is what I'm using my AAA batteries for. Look at this lantern, you guys, and this will be for fall. I'm not going to keep this up here, although I will keep this pumpkin and the black and orange. Well, I'll keep this part for something else, but it's just twisted on there anyway. It's metal. And this doesn't have to be just for the fall. You can keep this up all year long, and it already has an LED candle in it. So this is what I'll need the batteries for, and this was $3.99. But a very, very nice lantern. So that is my 99-cent haul, okay? Not a whole lot, but it will add to what I already have, and it will act perfectly into the vignettes that I am planning to do. So, thought I'd bring you with me like I always do. Hey everybody, and I wanted to show you one other thing. Well, actually, a couple things. From the Dollar Tree. They had these, well actually they were in a box. They weren't even out. And I thought, you know what, I am not going to come back and wait for them to put it out, because the box was open, but it wasn't up on the clips. So these are 3 witches hats in green, orange, and purple. Got those. And then these spiders, which will, one of them at least, will go on a DIY. Then they had this big pumpkin, and I'm really using this more for a pattern, as well as, yep, the owl. I was like so excited when I saw this huge owl. This will make a perfect pattern. So I just wanted to share that as well. That's it. That's the whole thing. Okay, everybody. So I was just going to show you a little bit more close up. And I think this, I haven't opened it, but I'm surmising it probably has maybe spiders on it. I don't know. And then these little pumpkins, 99 cents. And like I said, this is a 3-dimensional, but it's not going to stay like this. And I'm just positive I have another one like this. And then look, I put the batteries into the lantern. I am so impressed for $3.99. And I will use this all year long somewhere. This would be perfect in a 3-tier. And then here's that little owl. You guys, I am nuts over these owls. What in the heck? And then here's that, look at that jack-o'-lantern. How retro is that? And then here is the witch's hat. And then the bird cage. And the bird cage is just plastic. And then here's that hat. I am so excited to do this DIY because I know anyone that likes Halloween and to decorate for it, you're going to love this. And then here is that chair cover that I'm going to use for a pillow cover. So I just wanted to show you a little bit closer. Okay, guys. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon.